Hey everyone, welcome back. Hey, this is another update on the market here in the greater Wilmington area. Hi, my name is Brian Schrader. I'm with the Coastline NC real estate team at BlueCoast Realty Corporation. So is the market, is the tide going out? Is the tide coming in? Let's take a closer look at some of these numbers here. This is a market analysis that I prepared on the Tri-County area. If you guys have seen some of my other videos, they're kind of more specific to certain towns and area barrier islands. But this one's on a Tri-County area. As you can see here at the map, we're going to cover this whole entire area that you see here. It's going to encompass Pender County, New Haven County, which is Wilmington, Brunswick County, and all the different barrier islands that we have in our Tri-County area. So this is more on the macro. This is the November 2023 market update. So we're going to go back a full year and pull some of these numbers and see kind of where the market is now and where it might be heading. So we're going to take a look at this column right in here. This shows your active, pending, and your closed sale. As you can see, we've got around 2,459 active listings in the Tri-County area, and there's been around 10,987 closed sales in the past 12 months. So this has got a lot of good data. It's got price points, but just so you know, this does include things like it includes land, it includes townhomes, condos, single family homes throughout. So it's a broad spectrum to give you an idea of the marketplace. But what we're really going to be focusing in on is this data down here at the bottom, this statistical analysis. So as you can look, this column right here, it's going back 7 to 12 months. This column over here is going to be 4 to 6 months. And then this column here is going to be 3 months to our current marketplace. So we're going to looking at these columns here to see kind of where the numbers have fallen in these three sectors. So as you can see, you got settled sales around 5,120. It drops around 3,117. And currently it's around 2,750. So you're going to see that the settled sales have going down. They keep going down. And then you look at the absorption rate. That's the amount of homes that are absorbed per month. You'll see that that absorption rate has kind of, balanced out a little bit. But the really big thing that I picked up on doing this market analysis is the number of listings went from around 15 to 1,700 on up to around 2,049. That's a pretty significant jump, and it's well needed too, because our market has been low on inventory for many, many months. So this is the first time I've actually seen a spark where we're actually starting to increase some of the supply homes on the marketplace. And as you look at the months of housing supply, we're sitting down around 1.76 of housing supply. On up to around 2.68. So again, you can start to see that changing, which is kind of unique because it hasn't been like that in the past, I would say probably almost year and a half. So what is that doing for prices? Prices right now are relatively staying the same. As you can see here, it's around, going back 7 to 12 months, it's around 393. And right now it's around 405. In the middle was around 409. So you kind of see it balancing out a little bit. And what are sellers getting? Are sellers, is the market dropping significantly? Like, are sellers getting, full price, over asking? Well, as you can see here down at the very bottom, this is what sellers are getting anywhere from around 100% to around 99% of asking. So it's very strong still, the seller's market is, but you can see things are starting to shift slightly. Is it a good time to sell your property? Absolutely. It's a very competitive market right now, and you can still get a good price for your house. So that's kind of where the market is now. Where the market is heading, I think that we'll see a slight shift if interest rates take a pause and they quit the rate hikes. I think that hopefully they'll drift down a little bit, and we might see some between that and some of the supply We hope to kind of go back into a more of a balanced market. But again, if they drop, the interest rates drop drastically, you could see a rush of new buyers coming into the marketplace, which would definitely that skew that theory. But if you guys have any questions about the marketplace, I want to do some other videos on this specific town. So if you're in Southport, there'll be another update on those particular marketplaces because they are unique from one area to the next. But if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at the number. Again, it's Brian Schrader with the Coastline NC Real Estate team at BlueCoast Realty Corporation. And we hope this has been beneficial. Please reach out to us if you have any questions about your home's value or if you want to get analysis done on your property. Have a great day.